In a world where hiccups were a sign of hidden potential, people eagerly awaited their arrival. One day, a young artist felt the familiar twitch. What if this is my moment, she wondered. Her brush danced across the canvas, each hiccup guiding her strokes. A musician nearby heard the rhythm and joined in, creating a symphony of color and sound. Hiccups are just the universe's way of saying, "You're ready," he said. As the town gathered, they realized hiccups were not interruptions, but inspirations. "Embrace the unexpected," they cheered, "for it leads to greatness."